The vertebrate animals are divided into 5 heads: fish, amphibia, reptiles, birds and mammals. So the first one being the fish. These are the animals which have fins to it and a tail. These animals breathe underwater using gills. They have a separate set of gills at the side of their mouths, which helps in taking in oxygen from the water. These are cold-blooded animals, and the heart of these animals have only 2 chambers, that is 2 partitions in it. The next one is the amphibia. Amphibia are the animals which can live underwater as well as on the ground. The younger ones generally live in the water. For example, in case of the frog, the tadpoles live in the water. Their body is slimy skin and have a smooth surface. They lay eggs. They generally go on a estuate during the summertime. Estuate is a process wherein they dig a hole and stays inside the ground during the summer seasons. The frog does the estivation. The next one is the reptiles. Reptiles are the animals such as crocodile, tortoise. They have a dry skin. They have scales to its body. They lay eggs. They breathe with the help of the lungs. Even these are cold-blooded animals, and their heart is divided into 3 chambers. Except in case of crocodile, which have a 4-chambered heart. Even human beings have a 4-chambered heart. The fourth category is birds. Birds are the animal which have wings, feathers, claws. They lay eggs and they are warm-blooded animals. Even they have a 4-chambered heart. The next one are the mammals. Mammals are the animals which gives milk to their babies and which doesn't lay eggs and which breathe with the help of their lungs, and the baby which they give are fully formed. There are land mammals as well as marine mammals and flying mammals. Land mammals are further divided into 3 categories: marsupials, which are kangaroos, which feed their young ones in their sacks and take care of the young ones by keeping them in their sacks. Primates are the animals such as monkeys. These are social animals which form bonds with family and friends. They have hands, legs and fingers, toes, and we can judge them by the intelligence of these animals. Rodents are the animals such as rats, which digs holes in the grounds and lives underground. They have a large incisor teeth. Front teeth of these animals are large. And the next category is the marine mammals. Marine mammals are dolphins, which grow and live in the seas. Some of them have a light covering of hair on it. Flying mammals can be known as bats, which are nocturnal animals and which basically lives on trees and caves.